Doug.
Thank you both for coming in. I'm a bit worried about Doug Jr. I know how important Liberty Mutual is to your family.
They customize car insurance to save people hundreds.
Right. Well, Doug Jr. keeps writing this.
This Junior.
Well, at least he spelled insurance right?
He did not.
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
This is CNN Breaking News.
This is a civil danger warning issued by the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration effective nationwide until further notice. This is not a test. A near-Earth asteroid designated Object 2029, measuring approximately 75 miles wide, is confirmed on the direct collision course with Earth. Projected impact location, Pacific Ocean. Impact will generate global tsunamis, massive earthquakes, and atmospheric debris capable of causing worldwide climate collapse. All Pacific coastal residents must move inland and seek higher ground immediately. Inland residents should prepare for severe seismic activity and prolonged infrastructure failure. The estimated time to impact is approximately 12 hours. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test.
This is the Canadian government. Object 2029 will hit Earth in approximately 10 hours. You have enough time to seek shelter, gather loved ones and bring essential supplies. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates. When the asteroid hits Earth, mega tsunamis will wipe out Western Canada and other coastal Pacific regions, global infrastructure will fail, and a global climate change will occur.
This is not a test. This is a life-threatening situation. NASA's redirection mission has failed, causing the asteroid to split into two large chunks. The first part will hit the Pacific Ocean, causing coastal Pacific regions to be wiped out by mega tsunamis. The second part will hit the Atlantic Ocean, causing mega tsunamis to wipe out all coastal Atlantic regions. Earth's gravitational field has also speeded up the estimated time to impact. You now have approximately 1 hour to seek immediate shelter. Repeat, you now have approximately 1 hour to seek immediate shelter. Gather loved ones, essential items such as toiletries, food, drinks, clothing, electronic devices for more information and updates. Stay tuned to this station. This is an extinction event. final national address of the United States of America. The object is now visible over the Atlantic horizon. In just a minute, it will make impact. For months, we watched it cross the darkness between planets. We studied its rotation. We calculated its path. We launched missions to push it away from us. We believed, even at the very end, that something might change. Nothing changed. A redirection failed. Gravity did the rest. The Atlantic Ocean will take the first blow. The eastern coastline will feel the shockwave within moments. Cities along the water will not have time to react. Inland states will feel the earth tremble soon after. The sky will brighten beyond anything ever recorded in human history. If you can see the glow forming along the horizon, it is not sunrise. That is impact. There will be no further updates after this message. Power grids will fail. Communications will collapse. Emergency systems will go silent. This is not a drill.